ready to bring all your people together in one place on Telegram. Let's dive into creating your very own group chat. First things first, open up your Telegram app on your phone. Look for the compose message icon, usually a pencil or a plus sign, typically found in the bottom right or top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to start a new message. From the options that pop up, you'll want to select New Group. This is where the magic of bringing multiple people together begins. Now, Telegram wants to know who you want in your group. You can start typing the names of your friends, family, or colleagues directly into the search bar as you type. Telegram will suggest contacts from your phone's address book. Tap on each person you want to add to your new group. You'll see a checkmark appear next to their name, indicating they've been selected. Once you've added everyone you need, look for the arrow or next button, usually located in the top right corner, and tap it. This is your group's creation hub. The most important step here is to give your group a name. This name will be visible to everyone in the chat, so choose something clear and descriptive, like Family Fun Time or Project Team. You can also tap on the placeholder image to add a group icon, making it even more personal. Once you've named your group and optionally added an icon, tap the checkmark or create button, typically found in the top right corner, and voila, your group chat is officially created. You can now start sending messages, photos, videos, and more to all your members. Simultaneously explore the group settings by tapping on the group name at the top to add more members later, change permissions, or manage other options for a seamless communication experience. That's all there is to it. Now go forth and connect with your crew on Telegram. For more helpful Telegram tips, make sure to subscribe.